First snowfall of 2024. And it's melting. I cleared off this whole top and it's already covered. Oh my goodness. So, they're melting fast now. I don't know if I can get anything. But we got snow overnight and I wasn't expecting it. And we're supposed to get a snowstorm this weekend. And that's about it. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, look how fast they're melting. I have so much going on, but I really wanted to come out and see what we had. Just a mix. Definitely some formations in here, but the wind's blowing and it's melting fast. Oh, here we go. Wow, I came out this evening and there is so many pretty ones. Wow. That it makes the cold almost disappear when you're out here. So yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Lots of variety also. Okay, so I came out for a second round and I heard a pack of coyotes howling and going crazy, like right in the forest next to me, on the state land, I believe. And as I know, or I've heard, one coyote would probably be timid enough to stay away, but if it's a pack of coyotes, I'm not so sure. So I went back in. So this is my third time trying. I should have recorded it. They were howling. It was kind of crazy. Oh, it's so bitter cold out. But wow, look at these. Oh, they're so pretty. Beautiful for spacious skies. Just so many pretty ones. It's almost worth the coyotes. Oh my goodness. So that's pretty much it. Lots of beautiful captures. All right. Have a good night.